Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Jana, and I'm back here with another video. So today, we're gonna be talking about plant nature at my apartment. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want to see more videos like this. And make sure you leave a thumbs up. Yeah, and make sure you leave a thumbs up. Hey, make sure you leave a thumbs up and a like and subscribe button, and turn on notifications if you want to see more videos like this. So, y'all. What, like, why don't y'all, like, do y'all even care about nature? Y'all kill bugs, y'all kill God, y'all kill God and nature. I'm gonna just tell y'all straight up. So, recently, I did a video of Get Ready With Me and why I left. Because, like, I had broke my phone. So, yeah, I couldn't post for you guys. I'm pretty sure y'all did not like my post, because, like, I did not get that much likes. But yeah. So we're gonna talk about plant nature. So first of all, let's talk about the grass. Let's talk about the grass. This sorry. This needs to stop. Cause why? Cause why? Why are we cutting the grass? This is nature. It's not meant to be cut. It's meant to grow. That's the whole point of people having, like, Walmart. That they have seeds and everything else. That's the whole point of growing nature. So sorry y'all, my hair, um I got a lot of hair, so it just poofs up like that. So we literally killing plant nature. We're killing plant nature, and we need to stop. Y'all hear those birds chirping? Again, stop, stop, stop. Y'all hear those dogs? Hear those birds? Jacan, come here. Oh my gosh, he always running when he get mad. Come here. Here, let's go. Hey, let's go. Okay, y'all. So anyway, we need to stop killing plant nature. Again, hey, Jacan, hey, come on. Let's go. Okay, y'all. So we need to stop killing plant nature because this is serious. This is real serious. We need grass for, like, we really need grass for, like, vegetables and stuff. So, like, we need to have a sit down, guys, because this is unacceptable. I literally see people. I literally see people killing plants and killing nature. Like, what's wrong with y'all? But Jakeem, get over here. Jakeem, Jakeem, get over here. Okay, y'all. So I literally downstairs. Come on. No, no, no. Over here. Okay, y'all. So I literally saw my friends killing flowers. We need flowers for pollen, so the bees could, like, eat it, and we need honey. What if we sick or something? Like honey is needed. So Jakeem, sit back. We need plant nature. So stop killing plant nature, and we need to grow it and make people stop killing plant nature. So get over here, Jakeem, now. So I see 1,000 people killing plant nature. Like what? We need tomatoes, vegetables, fruits, and if y'all killing it, we gonna have less of that on our earth than planet. Jakeem, I'm not playing. You wanna go inside? Come on, let's go inside. We shouldn't go in the house. Okay, y'all. So y'all, we need tomatoes, fruits, vegetables, everything, so we can cook. If we don't get that, if we keep killing it, we're like not gonna have nothing. I'm not playing. You finna get whooped. Come on, let's go inside. No, we finna go in the house. This boy is crazy. No, I'll get it. Okay, come on, Jakeem. He's finna go back in the house. Cause I ain't dealing with this. Okay, y'all. Go up in there. He keep on running off. Okay, y'all. So, alright. So, I need to talk to y'all. If we continue killing plant nature, it's gonna get worse, and that is not okay. It's like no. So, for example, of I'm gonna grab a leaf. No, I'm gonna grab this stick. Y'all see this stick? They're cutting the trees. One moment. They're cutting the trees. Are you serious? This. These insects have nowhere to go. Tiny little insects. Look at this. You serious? Guys, now I'm not saying that the whole world kills plant nature, but y'all like that view? But like we need to stop. Cause that's no. But anyway, we need to stop this, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications if you want to see more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching this video. And bye, guys.